All right, here's some help on one of your homework problems. This is number 26. I'm sorry, it's problem number 29 on page 26. It's this Washington Monument problem. And you're given some information about the total height of the monument and how much it weighs, and that's just added fluff that really isn't important to what you are supposed to do. So it's important to wade through all of the unnecessary information and target what we need to answer this problem. So the bottom line is we're told to estimate the slope that a face of the pyramid makes with its base. Well, this pyramid sits on top of the monument. So really the pyramid becomes the focus of how we're going to come up with our final answer. So I'll just try to do a little artwork here. A square pyramid, just picture a square pyramid sitting on top of the monument. All right, so the monument, of course, would keep doing this, but we don't really need all that. And it just, like this, just a little visual. I'm not a great artist, but enough to kind of get a picture of what we're looking at here. So the dimensions of the pyramid, the base of the pyramid, we're told going this way, it's 5.6 inches across this way. And then the height of the pyramid going this way, we're told is 8.9. So I'm going to kind of get you started, and then I hope you'll be able to take it to its completion. What this is looking for is really, there's two possible answers. We want the slope of this. Okay, I'll just kind of darken it. This represents the slope that a face makes with its base. So in other words, if this were an actual line, what would its slope be? The reason why there's another answer is you could go this way and get a negative slope answer with the same number, but it would be negative. Well, let's see. If we have ordered pairs, that always makes finding the slope of a line pretty easy, because we can plug into our slope formula. So let's see if we can take the information that we're given and come up with a couple of ordered pairs that could represent this line, so that we could then just use the slope formula. Well, one thing I know is at the peak of this, since it's a square pyramid, then this peak is directly halfway. It rests halfway above this base. Okay, you could kind of think of a perpendicular bisector. And halfway means that this would be 2.8 inches. All right, so if you want to, you could kind of think of this as the start of your line, or you could think of this as the origin. So I'm just going to say that's 0, 0. And then think about what the ordered pair of this point would be. All right, so if you went from the origin, you went right 2.8 inches, that would be the x-coordinate. And then to get up to the point, you would have to go up 8.9 inches. And so that would be the other coordinate of that point. Okay, so now that I've given you two good ordered pairs that you could use to represent that, really it's a line segment, but it would represent the line that is really corresponds to the face. Now I want to see if you can take it from there. Use those two ordered pairs in your slope formula and come up with, the reason why it says an estimate is because you'll have to round. So you can just round to the nearest tenth. All right, so hopefully that helps, gives you a little guidance on how this problem works. If you have any questions about it, let me know.